In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel transfer on Wise. Canceling a transfer on Wise is straightforward, and it works as long as the payment hasn't been completed. I'll walk you through the flow, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful pointers so you feel confident every step of the way. First, head to your account's currency view and select the currency where the transfer is occurring. This focuses your dashboard on the balance connected to that payment, which makes the specific transfer easier to find. If the money was sent in euros, choose your euro balance. If it was in pounds, choose your pound balance. Keeping the view in the same currency helps you match amounts and fees at a glance. Once you've picked the right currency, you'll see a list of transactions linked to that balance, including the transfer you want to cancel. This activity list is typically sorted with the most recent at the top. Look for the entry that matches the amount, recipient, and date you expect. If you have several similar payments, open the brief preview to double-check any reference or note you added so you're targeting the correct one. Click or tap on that transfer to open its full details. On the Details page, find and select Cancel Transfer. A confirmation panel will appear explaining what happens next. Take a moment to read it. You'll usually see how your refund will be returned, the currency it will come back in, and an estimated time frame. Most refunds go back to the original funding method and can take a few business days to show up, depending on your bank or card provider. If any currency exchange has already happened, the message may also outline the rate used for reversing the conversion. Confirm the cancellation, and that's it. The status will update to canceled, and you should receive a confirmation notification or email soon after. If you like keeping records, you can save or screenshot the details page for your files. A quick note on availability. If the Cancel Transfer button isn't visible, it typically means the payment has already been processed or paid out, and cancellations aren't possible at that stage. If you set up a transfer but haven't funded it yet, canceling simply stops it and clears any pending instructions. And there you go. That's all you need. By selecting the relevant currency, finding the transfer in your transaction list, and choosing Cancel Transfer on its details page, you can stop a payment quickly and with confidence.